Hello guys, today our topic is the most important topic for BSc students. Explain the preparation and the synthesis application of Grignard reagent. So what is the Grignard reagent or MGX? That is the Grignard reagent. This is the process. The Grignard reagent is useful intermediate reagent in organic chemistry. This reagent were revealed by French chemist Victor Grignard. So what is the Grignard reagent or MGX? So this is the preparation. Grignard reagent are prepared on alkyl halides in the presence of alcohol-free and dry ether. So what is the preparation? RX, alkyl halide. This is the alkyl group. This is the halide group. So this is the alkyl halide, and in the presence of magnesium with ether, the Grignard reagent or MgX will be formed. So Grignard reagent are the best for preparation of amides, స్కేలరస్, ఆల్డిహైడ్స్, అమైనో కాంపౌండ్స్ ఎక్సెట్రా. సో చాలా ప్రిపరేషన్లో ఈ గ్రిగ్నాట్ రియేజెంట్ని మనం కెటలిస్ట్గా తీసుకుంటాము. సో స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ గ్రిగ్నాట్ రియేజెంట్. ద స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ గ్రిగ్నాట్ రియేజెంట్ is not understood certainly. So Grignard suggests the alkyl magnesium halide contains either of crystallization and can be represented as this or MgX. So ethoxy diethyl, we have to take two this is the structure of RMGX, that means Grignard reagent, and this is the application for Grignard reagent. So this is the most important topic, guys. So first of all, you have to subscribe our channel, all related topics in our channel, and all the named reactions మన ఛానల్లో ఉంది, అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్.